Seen.through.cars is testing a Porsche 911 today. Joking apart, today we got a Ford Sierra 2.0 gasoline. This car is equipped with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine. Yeah, as you can see, it is old technique. This car is already 31 years old and it is going to break down soon, but the owner drives it as long as he is allowed to and it will work. So let's have a blast in this car. These seats are gorgeous. Well, they are so comfortable, like an old couch. I got a 6, no, just joking, the racing one is not a bun, it is a 5-speed gearbox. Yeah, common things. You got a nice radio, climate control, although there is no climate, but you can control how warm it should get, though there are no temperatures written down, so it is like in a Rolls Royce. I mean, how great is that? You feel, or you get stuff from new Rolls Royces in a Ford Sierra built in 1989. Yeah, this car, well, although it only produces 120 horses, it works quite well. The engine is naturally aspirated, so there are now no turbochargers. So here we will have a little test to 100. I don't know the figures about it, but well, it won't be quite fast. 0, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and I got a brake because there is a bridge and some bicycles are coming across. Well, now we are about to drive 40. Let's get uphill, maybe to 150. Not full throttle because there are bicycles all over. 60, and now let's give him some speed. 70, 80, and 90, and stop because there is a corner right in front of us. Yes, as I already said, the engine is naturally aspirated, therefore torque is all over the place, but due to the fact that it is a poor engine, I would say the acceleration is really calm and poor. But the owner likes the car. As long as it drives, that's fine. Breakdown. Oh, beautiful Q5 coming across. weather is so beautiful today, therefore the people are going outside, doing some sports. Well, now let's overtake them. It's all quite fine. The steering wheel is quite flexible though. I think I'm able to move it about 3 centimeters forward and backwards. But that's not an issue. Due to the fact that the exhaust system isn't working as it should anymore, this car is quite loud outside. Maybe you can hear it inside as well. Hopefully the voice is not cancelled all over the sound of the car. So here, maybe there are no bicycles. Oh, come on. After this one we can give some throttle, maybe full throttle. Yeah, let's try full throttle, but I won't happen that much anyways. Full throttle, yeah, 80. Well, it feels quite fast because everything is old, the suspension and all the stuff. Steering is quite indirect. Well, it is more like driving a boat or a yacht. But yeah, I mean, this car is, as I said, 31 years old. For this age, this car is really good. We already got some viewers who will let us test drive their Volkswagen Polo, which is even a little younger, and I mean, this car is equipped quite poorly. By the way, here the speed limit is 100 and here we are at 100. Let's stop now because we are not allowed to drive faster here. This is not an autobahn, no German autobahn. And right across up the hill, no, just joking apart, we're going left. Let's see if everything is clear. So let's do some response tests. I mean, yeah, it is what it is. By the way, there are winter tires on this car because the owner does not want to buy summer tires anymore because he thinks this car will break down earlier. So yeah, all right. So let's accelerate one more time, really fast, full throttle. $80, $90 and 100. Here we are. It feels really fast, I got to say, but yeah, it isn't, in fact. Today is such a beautiful day, I mean, come on. It is so warm and nice. due to the fact that it is April. .30 again. For those of you guys who want to let me test drive their car, I will link my or our email address in the video description. As you can see, we are driving careful and as fast as it is allowed. Is over again, so 50 here. We started about over there, went over there all the way, and now we are literally going back to the start, and the video is at its end. On its end, yes. 30 and 50 over means 100, but 100 is too much for now because 50 is coming right across here. 60, 50 going down, and right here in front of us the video has started and it will stop now.